Advanced materials technology drives the way people live today. They are used in the cars we drive, electronics we use, smartphones we possess, Internet of Things, and more. To be a leading supplier of cutting-edge advanced materials in the industry, CamLine can help you deliver top-quality reports consistently to your customers. You can have eCoAs automatized to ensure the timeliness of quality reports for your customers. These eCoAs content is designed according to customers' quality demands. Thus, your customers will receive assured quality goods, saving you time and money. CamLine's automized solution provides you availability and traceability for customer quality report across your supply chain, saving both you and your customers crucial effort to carry out regular quality assurance measures. This means you will meet customers' immediate demands and expectations. You will standardize quality processes across all sites and your supply chains. You will avoid unnecessary iteration cycles by having eCoAs generated automatically for your customers without the need for programming. You will only have quality goods that are verified shipped to you. With LineWorks CQM, you will further strengthen the collaboration with your customers and enhance their trust in you as a reliable supplier. There is more to share. Reach out for the full video. Visit camline.com. Work smarter. Achieve more.